Hello and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to design your own design in Canva. Now you are going to need Canva Pro because you have to save it as a transparent PNG. All right, so let me show you how we're going to go about that. So we're at the home page. Now, I want to say that the Pro is like $12.99 or something like that, but that gives you all the elements and everything, and you can see all the designs that I've done. And it doesn't matter if you stop and you don't save it, it automatically saves it for you. So that's a great option. So here I'm just going to do a custom size. I'm not going to do the gang sheet. I can at the end to show you. Now we're at the custom size. Now this PX, we are going to need to change to IN for inches. All right. And what I like to do is I'm going to do 12 by 12. So I'm working strictly with a design, and my canvas is going to be 12 by 12. All right, so now we are going to start the design. So now let's navigate a few things so I can show you. Now you can add more 12 by 12 pages. So if, say, I have 4 different designs I'm going to do. So now I have 4 pages. Those are all going to be designs. And so now over here, whenever you start out, you have templates. So you can make your own logo. There's so much stuff that you can do. But this is just a template. So if I was to do Easter, this shows you templates for Easter. And they're all in pieces. I'm just going to bring this one over here to show you. So if it's in a box, those are all pieces. So I can, that's actually ungrouped, or you can delete the whole thing. Okay. And how they do this, I'm actually going to just do 3 now. And this shows you what colors are in that template. But we are going to go over to the elements. So the elements are where you find all your neat designs. So you can even do Easter backgrounds, which that will pull up all of these, or you can just do Easter in your elements. And so this is for photos. I'm going to go to graphics because this is where all the cute little stuff is. Now, if you don't want to add stuff together, you don't have to. You can click on that one is a really cute one. So as you see, when we're pulling it, it shows in that black box, it's 5.8 inches. Now, when you start out, if you do not change this to inches, you're going to get your PX automatically. Okay. So let's go ahead and we're just going to design a cute I'm just grabbing a few different things. Actually, so you see, you can slide and you can make anything the size that you need it. And I will tell you, there's a lot of groups on Facebook for Canva. All right. So we've got a few little peeps down here. And now I just want a happy Easter. And I'm just going to try to go with the same. Oh, okay. So these colors really go together. Okay, now I can grab them and I can either group them or leave them as they are and save them as a transparent PNG. All right, and then if I want to position this to the left, to the top, to the middle, and you have your little guides. So here I'm just going to grab both of these and I'm going to group them so that way I know what size they are. Okay. So right now we're at 6.2 by 8 high, 8.1 high. Okay, that would be cute for a little girl. So I'm just going to, you don't have to center it. I'm just centering it. So now I'm just going to go to my next one. Okay. And you can do more elements. So say, here's me another one. Okay. And then let's go back to this. And since I went with a 12.12, or I'm sorry, 12 by 12. All right. And now, just down so you can see. So now I want to click the share button. Slide that up there for right now. So that way you can see, because this is very important. So now you want to download, and here you want to make sure that you're at PNG, but you have to click transparent PNG background. Okay. And for all of those. Okay. And if you want to, you can click save download settings. I don't, because I use this for several different reasons. And a lot of times I don't need transparent backgrounds. So now I'm going to click download, and it'll start going up and it will download. And then I want to go ahead and extract all. Okay. And I'm just putting those in my download. So there they all are. So now I'm going to show you how you can build a gang sheet. So we need to go back over here, and you can either, with Pro is good, you can resize, but I don't want to confuse you. So I'm going to go back over to home. Okay. And we are going to start back over. So I'm going to do my custom size. There's your PX that you need to change 2 inches. So now I can do you can see down here that I've already done a few of these, but I'm going to do 22 wide by 70. Okay. And there is the size of your gang sheet. Now, everything that you have that you are going to use, going to pull in. Now, let me slide that back over. So now I need to get the designs that I saved. You can either go back to your home, or I like to go to uploads. These are all my uploads that I have used. So now I'm going to upload files. And then I'm just going to make sure I'm in my downloads. Now, that is, there they are, sorry. Okay, I'm selecting all of them. Now I'm going to open. Now they're going to come over here. Okay, so and if you already had your own design, this is where you would start. You would upload your file. Okay, and then you come over here and you put that on there. Now, whenever you slide down, you see that that was 15 by 15. Okay, I'm going to do 8 by 8. I'm going to put that up there. Now, I may want a few more of those. So I'm going to right click and duplicate. Duplicate. Now, maybe I need a smaller one. So I'm going to go to about a 4 by 4. Okay. Anywhere that you can get these on here is how you will map out your own gang sheet. So now I have this right here. Now you can slide that box down and slide that one. That way you get your true size. I didn't do it with that one because you have a few little white things right there. So now I have pretty much my true size of what this is. So now I'm going to pull it a little bit. So now you see it's 13.7 by 7.2. Okay. you want to make that a little bit smaller, anywhere from 9 if you're doing an adult size, because if not, it's going to be wider than the shirt. So now I'm going to drag that up there and I can duplicate. Now I'm going to come over here. And the reason why I made it so big is to show you that you can make this the true size. Okay. And then, so I'm going to go about 9, 9.5. Okay. And then if you need to duplicate it, so you would just go ahead and you would fill this entire page with designs that you would like. And then over here, you're going to go ahead and again, you are going to save. My little dot keeps going. So you're going to go to download. You're going to make sure it is a PNG. You're going to make sure that you click the transparent background, and then you are going to download. Download it to wherever you would like. And right down here, I'm going to name it YouTube Gang Sheet. Okay, and it's at a PNG. So you're going to save it. It's going to be in my downloads. I'm going to save, and then now it has saved. So now if I come over to our website, now I know this is blown up really big because I want you to be able to see. So if we're at the home page, you're going to go to shop by category and it's going to be the first one. Click that. And then we have several different options. We have our UV adhesive, which are UV adhesive gang sheets in 3 sizes. Then we have our custom DTF. DTF are for shirts. And then we also have sports banners. Those are great for graduation too. And that is coming up right around the corner. Okay, so I'm going to select this one right here. I have it a little bit bigger than I need it, but I just want to be able to make sure y'all can see this. All right, so it's going to start out and it's going to ask you, I understand that Creative Design and Supply does not print images that are subject to copyright and trademark laws. By uploading your images to our website, you agree and certify that you own the rights to this image. All right, and then our DTF gang sheets must be in 300 DPI, so they will save as a 300 DPI transparent PNG with Canva. So you are going to click here, and you are going to click here for knowing that it has to be 300 DPI. So here you're going to upload your file, but before I do that, I need to change my options or make sure that my options. So I need 22 by 70. Now I'm going to click this right here, and it's in my download. So I have to go up one more. All right. And there is my YouTube gang sheet. All right. So now that's in there. And now if you need a rush order, now most orders, they are 24 to 48 hours. Now, if you need something within 1 business day, you can click this. It charges $25 and you will get it within 1 business day. All right. And then you would just add to cart. All right. And then you would go and proceed to checkout. Several other videos on how to build a gang sheet with Silhouette. Now with Silhouette, you will need Business Edition or at least up to Designer Plus, I do believe. Designer Plus will save as a PNG. All right. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.